Welcome to this video on how time of day, or TOD billing, can help you lower your electricity bill. Think of electricity usage like highway traffic. Periods of high demand cost more, while off-peak hours cost less. With TOD billing, your utility provider links the price of electricity directly to the time of day, creating peak, normal, and off-peak periods. By shifting your energy consumption to off-peak times, you can significantly reduce your total costs compared to standard flat-rate billing. Modern smart meters are the key technology here. They use real-time clocks to record exactly when and how much energy you consume. Your smart meter categorizes your usage into separate digital lists, allowing your utility to apply different tariff rates to each specific period. Utilities often face massive demand peaks in the evening when household appliance usage spikes. TOD billing helps them manage this extreme demand. You can take advantage of this by shifting heavy energy tasks, like charging your electric vehicle, to the night when electricity is cheapest. Similarly, pairing solar panels with local battery storage allows you to power your home during expensive peak hours using stored energy. Following this smart cycle, charging during the day, using batteries in the evening, and grid power at night lets you beat the utility billing system. Industries also achieve massive cost reductions by scheduling heavy manufacturing processes to coincide with lower electricity rates. This table highlights the differences between standard and TOD tariffs, showing how TOD rewards smarter energy management. Keep in mind that TOD billing only affects your energy charge. Fixed costs like taxes, duties, and meter fees typically remain unchanged. Rules regarding TOD billing are set by local regulators and vary based on your location, your utility company, and whether you are a residential or industrial user. Take control of your energy usage today. Thank you for watching, and please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.